Yo, look at it. Look at it. Get into it. So I got a new GoPro, guys. One with the screen, so I can finally see what in the F I am doing. So I got a new tailgate. I'm gonna put it on the truck. Truck is gonna get resprayed very soon because the clear is peeling everywhere and I've wanted to get it done for a while. Thinking about just getting like a 2-inch lift kit because I don't really like the stance on it right now. I would like it a little bit bigger, you know, but I'm gonna get into it right now. All right, guys, here's how we're looking. There is a tiny dent right there and there's a dent right there. I can Bondo that up, but I'm gonna get some money back. And it's kind of bent right in there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely better than my old one. So I'm gonna get the emblems on and the pieces on. I found another dent right there. Got all the emblems on. I need to buy this piece right there. I planned on getting some of these as well and some of these as well. I think they're like 150 for the whole kit online. And I need to find out what piece this is as well before I get it resprayed. I don't know if you can tell. It's like some little trim piece. But yeah, she's coming together. Got to make a little daily truck, you know? You know what I'm saying, bro? See you, bro.
Bro, it's all right. We really out here.
All right, there's Aaron, there's bro. Jeff. We pulled up to the Charlotte car meet tonight. It's pitch dark. But if I see anything cool, I'll make sure to get it on camera. All right, we found something cool. Bitch is bad. What you got to say, Hefe?
I don't want friends, I want Audis, boy.
Jeff, what you got to say about this 1J E30, bro?
That shit's sick as fuck.
What you got to say, Aaron?
Bro, look how well like it fits, bro.
Right there. That's commitment.
That's the normal thing that they do on 1Js, though, or E30s is 1Js. They fit.
Hey.
Look how fat them tires are.
Ooh. What are you waiting for?
Look at fucking Jeff, bro. He's so fucking drunk. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Come on, bro. Show us something. Give us something. Come on, man. Do it for the camera.
Hey, do it for the vibe. Stock RT.
You're not playing me, man. I hear that supercharger whining. Come on, light. I'm gonna run out of data if I have to sit here and wait on this.
Don't really hear the blower?
Oh yeah, it sounds good, man.
That's sure, bro. That shit sounds sick.
Is it?
Yeah.
Put an intake on that thing, it'll sound so much meaner. There you go.
Hell yeah. He says it's already on the way.
All right, do something good, but don't wreck. Come on, man. Fucking send it, bro. Send it, bro. It's fucking lit. Jeff, what you got to say about this?
Bro, hey, Max just went through.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Come on, man, launch that shit.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
That bitch gone.
No way.
I gotta see it. It's not what I think it is. It's not what I think it is. Hey!
Fucking send it.
Alright, it sounds hot.
hear. Let's hear. Let's hear.
Do you guys want to see how I make the girls' panties wet? Look at this. Cold start, baby. It's like 85 degrees. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna get a sticker that goes right here that says panty dropper. Yo. So, I did the cold start the other day. That was the intro of the video. It was the other day. We've been waiting on these bad boys right here to come in. I took off the decals on the back, and I've took off the door, like save it from, you know, getting dented when people open their doors. I don't know what they're called. So we are gonna get this truck resprayed, and I haven't showed y'all this yet, but I have a whole new front clip. It's the 05 to 07 front clip. I think it looks a lot cleaner. So, and these are already 05 to 07 front headlights, and I got the header panel coming in. That should be here, and I want to say by tomorrow at least. So we're gonna get this thing resprayed. We're gonna get her looking good. We're gonna do all maroon, because I don't really like the two-tone that well. You know, I'd rather just have the whole thing maroon. We're gonna do the grill maroon and this maroon as well. I'll get these out in a second, but I have a few things of body work I need to do. I need to fix a few dents. There's a dent here, a dent here. There is a dent, a little tiny one right there. There's a dent there. And then we got, when this came in, it had a dent on it, so we gotta fix that. And there's one more spot on this side, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I like it. I like it. That was easy enough. So here's how we're looking. There it is. Kind of bad news. This is plastic. I thought this was going to be metal. I don't really know how well paint does with plastic. Hopefully it does fine. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm hoping it's going to be decent. I love that. That looks dope. It looks really dope. Yeah, I'm excited, boys. This thing is going to look mean when it's done. All maroon, blacked out windows. Might even have to get a little 2-inch lift, some fatter tires. It's a wrap. This thing's gonna be dirty. I like the way these lights look with that grill. Makes it pop. I have the header panel. This piece right here. It's coming in. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. Unfortunately, I mean, because it makes these lights actually, this header panel is actually supposed to fit these lights, because I had to cut these in one of my older videos. Had to cut it a lot, so that should be in tomorrow. And then this thing gets dropped off for paint on Monday. Today is Friday, so I got to start banging out this little tiny stuff, and I'm gonna try to fit this bumper on real quick and see how much it's off. So we'll see you in a second. What was that?
What's up, guys? It's Cooley. 828 Ford boy.
All right, so we got everything put together. This thing's a bitch. If anybody, yeah, I ripped some ass over here. If anybody decides to put this thing or does the front end swap, make sure that you put on the mounts before you stick on this front clip, because I did not do that. I had to take it all apart. So we're gonna line it up, see how well it fits. All right, there she is.
3 hours later.
I didn't know 3 hours. Can't really tell on camera. We'll have to do it in sunlight tomorrow.
Looks good.
She's a beaut. All right, guys, what up? So I'm back another night later with some lovely sanding and more prepping to do. Truck goes in tomorrow, so I'm trying to finish up getting the glue off the sides here. And I got a few spots I was gonna finish up, but I think I might just let Maaco do it because I'm doing it and I'm not really liking the way that it's turning out. You know, I want this thing to be minty fresh when she comes out. So we might just let them do it. I mean, I had to go drive 55 minutes to go get that piece today because it never came in the mail. So we've got it with some JB Weld up there gluing back on right now. So I'm gonna try to get most of this done. I got a few videos I gotta go pick up from Troy here in a little bit. So I'm gonna do that after I get some of this done. So I will be back in a jiffy. Yo, 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 what up guys? So I didn't really film any more last night. I ended up getting a good bit done on my truck and then just heading over to Troy's, and then Troy's dumbass forgot to stick my videos on my USB drive. Way to go, Troy. So I drove over there for nothing. So I am on the way to the Maaco shop right now. So I'm gonna drop this thing off and we'll see if Maaco's really worth it. It was a $1,300 quote for, you know, a very big truck. So I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but I mean, I'm expecting it to be halfway decent. So we'll see what she looks like. I'll see you guys when I go to pick it up. It'll probably be in about 4 to 5 days. But if anything happens or interesting happens in those 4 to 5 days, you'll see me then. So it's been about 2.5 weeks since I have dropped off my truck, and they told me that it would be finished this morning. I have not got a phone call. They've been kind of just back and forth of when they were going to be able to finish it. I called them last week. They told me it was going to be done last Thursday, and then I called her on Thursday and she said she has been mistaking me with somebody else, and so I had to wait a whole nother week. So I am on the way to get it. If it's not done, I'm going to be very upset. Alright guys, so we got the truck back. I haven't really showed too much. I tried to do a little short film. I don't know, you know, I'm not good at this stuff, but we tried it. But I wanted to show you the truck and give you an update and kind of my opinions on Maaco. There's body work back here. I paid them to do all the body work. Can't really tell right now, but in the sunlight it's iffy. It's very iffy. They're supposed to fix that right down there, but they didn't. It's bent back. I don't know if you can tell. Coming over to this side, it don't look too bad. The truck's very orange pilled though. They're supposed to do a spot right here. It's a little bit iffy right there. There's definitely a dent right there that they didn't get. And coming around to the front, this is the most noticeable spot on the truck. Right here, there's a huge bubble. Very big bubble. And then come around some more. Let's see, there was one more spot. Oh, it's right here. Very bubbled. Bubbled up right there. Overall, I'd give Maaco a 6 out of 10. They told me a week, took me 2.5 weeks. I mean, I only paid $1,500. I knew I wasn't expecting perfect. No, I can't complain. But I mean, there she is. I'm overall pretty happy with it, considering it's a work truck. You know, I'm gonna beat the crap out of it anyways, so I'm not too worried about it being messed up. But yeah, thanks for coming along. We'll see how that little short film goes. We'll see you guys next video though. Follow your boy. Bye.